The Book of Zephaniah is a prophetic work found in the Hebrew Bible and the Christian Old Testament. It is attributed to the prophet Zephaniah, who likely lived during the reign of King Josiah of Judah in the 7th century BCE. The book contains messages of judgment against various nations and emphasizes the day of the Lord, a future time when God will bring judgment and restoration to the world. Summary of Zephaniah. 1. The coming judgment. Zephaniah begins his prophecy with a declaration of God's judgment upon Judah and the surrounding nations. He warns of impending destruction due to their idolatry, wickedness, and unfaithfulness to God's covenant. 2. The Day of the Lord. Zephaniah introduces the concept of the Day of the Lord, a future day of divine judgment and reckoning upon the nations. On this day, God will intervene in human history to bring about justice and restoration. 3. Judgment against Judah. Zephaniah specifically addresses Judah's sins and its leaders' corruption. He denounces those who have turned away from God and embraced idolatry and foreign practices. 4. Judgment against the nations. Zephaniah delivers messages of judgment against various nations, including Philistia, Moab, Ammon, Cush, and Assyria. Each of these nations is warned of their impending downfall and punishment for their wickedness and pride. 5. Call to repentance. Amidst the messages of judgment, Zephaniah calls the people of Judah to repentance and to seek the Lord. He urges them to turn from their wicked ways and to humble themselves before God to avoid his wrath. 6. The remnant's restoration. Zephaniah speaks of a remnant of faithful people who will be preserved by God. These faithful ones will experience restoration and God's favor, dwelling securely in his presence. 7. The joy of restoration. After the prophetic messages of judgment, Zephaniah concludes with a message of hope and joy. He foretells a time of restoration, blessing, and praise, as God's people rejoice in his deliverance. Conclusion. The Book of Zephaniah serves as a prophetic call to repentance and a warning of the consequences of sin and idolatry. It emphasizes the day of the Lord, a future time when God will bring judgment upon the nations, but it also offers hope for restoration and blessing to those who turn back to God in repentance and faithfulness. Zephaniah's prophecy is a powerful reminder of God's justice and sovereignty, as well as his mercy and grace to those who seek him. The book encourages readers to examine their own lives, turn away from sin, and place their trust in God's promises of redemption and restoration.